this is Apurva. So today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of this wire coil earrings. Okay, they're super easy to make. So if you just follow my tutorial, you'll be able to make it in no time. So to make the pair of earrings, you're going to require 5 centimeter wires, 8 centimeter wires, 10 centimeter wires, and 12 centimeter wires. Along with that, you'll need your regular round nose plier, your chain nose plier, and a jewelry cutter. Okay, so let's get started. Take your 8 centimeter wire, hold it at the tip, and make a loop. Okay, after you do that, take your flat nose plier or chain nose plier and start coiling it. Once you're done coiling it to as much as you want, then take your chain nose plier and bend it at a perpendicular angle. Like this, and make a loop right at the top. So it should look something like this. Alright, so now we're going to repeat it on all the other wires. So after you're done coiling all the 6 things, you take one jump ring, you open it up and take one from each length and you put it all together like this. Do the same for the other one. So now we're going to make a pair of earring hooks to go along with the earrings. So take one of your 5 centimeter wires, hold it approximately in the middle. Doesn't matter even if it's little more on one side than the other. Okay, and bend it in half like this. Then you take your round nose plier and you just bend it like this. So before you close it all the way, take your earring and just put it in and close it up like this. Alright, do it for the other one now. Again, bend it in half, take your plier and close it up. So there you have it, your own pair of coiled handmade wire earrings. So I'm using brass in this video, but if you want you can experiment with copper, silver or any kind of coated wire as well. So that depends on your own choice and preference. The technique will remain the same, so you don't have to worry about it. So just go ahead and make your own pair of earrings. Yay! So if you've liked the video, then do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye.